In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find and view inactive vendors in QuickBooks Online. This is really useful if you've cleaned up your vendor list in the past, or if you're trying to track down an old vendor for reporting, historical transactions, or reactivating them later on. We'll walk through the process slowly and clearly so you can follow along in your own QuickBooks account. First, sign in to QuickBooks Online and make sure you're on the main dashboard. On the left-hand side, you'll see a vertical menu. Look for the option labeled Expenses. Go ahead and click on Expenses, and then, along the top of that page, choose the Vendors tab. This takes you to your full vendor list, which is where all active vendors are shown by default. Once you're on the Vendors page, shift your attention to the upper right corner of the vendor list area. There, you'll see a small gear icon, which controls some display options. This settings icon is easy to miss because it's quite small, so make sure you're looking inside the vendor list section, not the main company settings. Click on that gear icon to open a small menu of list settings. One of the options you'll see is a checkbox labeled Include Inactive. By default, this box is usually unchecked, which is why inactive vendors are hidden and don't appear in the list you're used to seeing. To show those vendors, simply check the box next to Include Inactive. As soon as you do this, QuickBooks will automatically refresh the vendor list. You don't need to click Save or Apply, the list updates right away. After the refresh, scroll through your vendors. You'll now see both active and inactive vendors together. Inactive vendors are often marked with the word Deleted in parentheses next to their name. That label doesn't mean the historical data is gone, it just indicates that the vendor is inactive and won't be used for new transactions unless you reactivate it. From here, you can review those inactive vendors, open their profiles to see past activity, or simply confirm that they're still there for reporting and audit purposes. And that's all there is to it. By using the Include Inactive option, you can quickly switch between a clean, active-only list and a full view that includes your inactive vendors whenever you need it.